If you're new to dropshipping and want to get started quickly, Settler Trend is a great platform to help you find products and manage your store. First, create an account and connect your Shopify store to Settler Trend. This connection lets you import products directly without any hassle. Once connected, explore the dashboard, and the AI product research tool is your best friend here. It analyzes trending products across different marketplaces and social media to suggest items with high sales potential. You can filter products by category, price, or shipping options to find what suits your niche. Next, check out the trending products section for a curated list of winning items. These products come with analytics showing their sales trends, competition, and even ad examples. So you know what's working. When you find products you like, add them to your import list. Here you can edit product details like titles, descriptions, prices, and images to match your brand. Once you're happy with everything, push the products directly to your Shopify store with a click. After importing, customize your Shopify store design and set up essential pages like About Us, Contact, and Policies. You're almost ready to start selling. Finally, use Seller Trend's automation features to manage orders and track inventory. So you spend less time on daily tasks and more time growing your business. If this beginner's tutorial helped you understand how to get started with Seller Trend, please like, subscribe for more e commerce content, and ask any questions you have in the comments below.